Last night I felt the storm coming fast, it broke the wall. Scattered glass across the floor. I know this is the final war. There's no use trying to pretend. There's no way to comprehend. No way back, no way to mend. This means we have to end. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome.
Hello Momshies and welcome to another vlog, and today I'm going to do an evening cleaning routine of a mom here in the Philippines. As you know, the whole day could be hectic and usually pagtulog na yung mga bata, yun yung best time for me to clean the whole house kasi wala nang mag-iistorbo and all of that. So the first thing na ginagawa ko talaga is I clean up the toys, I clean up everything na nasa sofa and nasa sala and yung mga kalat na just weighs down on my mental health. Mga momshies, alam nyo yan, pag may mga kalat dito, yung lagi mo silang naiisip. At it's actually not good for productivity pag makalat kasi number one, you feel guilty about it, and then number two, nadidistract ka. So instead of your energy na focus sa kung anong ginagawa mo, you always think about the kalat. As a mom of two boys, of course, I have mga boy things dito sa bahay. If you could see in this channel, if you're new, I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old boy na I take care the whole day. And also, recently, I have started my online freelance career. That's why medyo konti yung upload natin. But, before I start my duty or my work sa pag-online freelancing, which is usually at night then, I wanna make sure na malinis at maayos yung kapaligiran kasi ang hirap talaga mag-concentrate mga moms pag makalat. So here, I'm just cleaning up all the toys and that takes a lot of time. Minsan naiisip na namin na we're gonna get rid of the toys ng mga bata at konti na lang iwan namin para konti na lang din ang liligpitin. Let me know down the comments kung iniisip nyo rin yun mga moms.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen. Stay and let's figure out to go and how about family, new history. Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. I know there's nothing
Here, Momshies, you will see our long table. We use it for eating, for working, and it gets really messed up talaga throughout the day kasi kung ano-ano ang napupunta dito, pati sa flower vase, as you can see, nagiging lalagyan siya ng mga gamit. And sa gabi, I really try to make sure na maayos ito. Ito rin ang aming charging station. So, parang all-around desk na siya, all-around table. Kaya, ayan. So, ang ginagawa ko, tinatago ko yung mga wires, lalo na itong sa Mac. Make sure na maayos yung pagkakaligpit sa kanya kasi madali siyang masira. And later, I'm gonna show you, ilalagay ko yung mga yan sa isang box, lahat ng electronics, para pag nalaghahanap kami ng mga kung ano-anong wire, kung ano-anong charger, kung ano-anong related sa electronics, I wanna make sure na magkakasama-sama sila dito sa box na to. Kasama yung mga power bank, yung aming air purifier, yung aming mga charger, headset, and all. Para hindi na nagkakalat all throughout sa bahay. Kasi most of the time, meron kami mga kung ano-anong any nalalagyan. Kagaya nito. any siya. Lahat ng mga bagay nandyan na. So, hindi ko alam, minsan kailangan mo talaga siyang i-reorganize, like yung mga coins ilagay sa wallet, yung mga alcohol sa bag, yung headset, mga kasama. Ayun ko, may glue pa ditong nawala, and then yung susi ng kotse nandito din. So, most of the time, nagko-collect siya ng clutter, kaya mas mabuti na yung naka-arrange lahat ng mga yung madaling gamitin, siguro yun na lang yung ilalagay dito. And then yung mga rest na hindi mo masyadong ginagamit on a daily basis, i-stow away nyo na yun sa inyong electronic box. Ang dami kang sinabi. Pero guys, talagang problema ko tong mga electronics kasi lagi silang nagkakalat and nawawala sa panahon ng hanapan. Nahihirapan ako maghanap.
In this dynamite castle, you will never be alone. Indigo sunset, it's the only way to
please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings, yeah, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you. Don't need no savior, no helping hand, no one to make me feel loved again. I am a woman, coming alive. Glory, I know we will survive. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feelings, yeah, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you.
Finally done with all the cleaning, and now I'm getting ready to do my online work right after cleaning all of that. Kasi you all know mga mamas who hustle, you can feel me right here, diba? So after everyone is asleep and we are cleaning the house, it's time for us to do our things, to do our side hustle. And I hope you enjoyed this video, mga momshies. I hope I inspired you to clean your house habang tulog ang mga bata and everyone else sa bahay. Let me know down the comments below, and I will see you guys soon in another video. Bye!